You've owned your F-150 for months, maybe years. You know every button, every switch, every quirk. You don't. There are features built into your F-150 right now, sitting inside the truck you drive every single day, that Ford never fully explained. Features that solve real problems, save you from real emergencies, make your workday genuinely easier, and almost nobody knows they're there. By the end of this, you're gonna look at your F-150 differently. Let's get into all of them. Feature number 1. The secret storage compartments hiding in your back seat. Start with the back seat. You probably know the rear seat cushions fold up. Most F-150 owners do. But here's what most people have never noticed. Lift those cushions, and underneath there are lockable storage compartments that Ford built specifically to hold things you'll actually need. Your jack, your spare tire access tools, and the fuel funnel nozzle, which on the capless Easy Fuel system is the only way to pour gas from a can into the truck if you're stranded roadside. That last one is critical. The Easy Fuel capless system uses a dual-door internal mechanism, designed so that only a properly sized nozzle can open it. A standard gas can spout won't work. A funnel without the right adapter won't work. Ford included the correct funnel nozzle in your truck, in a hidden compartment most owners have never opened. If you've ever been stranded on the side of a road with a gas can and no way to get fuel in, check that compartment first. It's been there the whole time. Feature number 2, the PowerBoost Hybrid's hidden fuel door emergency string. This one is specifically for PowerBoost hybrid owners, and it solves a problem that feels minor until it happens to you. Because the PowerBoost hybrid pressurizes its fuel tank, the fuel door doesn't open manually from the outside. You press a button inside the truck and it pops open electronically, which works perfectly until it doesn't. Locked out of your truck, dead button, electronic failure, and you need to get that fuel door open. Ford thought of this. Reach under the rear seat area, there is a hidden latch with a physical pull string. Pull it, and the fuel door releases completely, regardless of whether the electronic system is working. It's not in the quick start guide. It's not something the dealer walks you through at delivery, but it's there, and knowing about it before you need it is the difference between a minor inconvenience and a genuinely stranded situation. Feature number 3. Start your truck with a completely dead key fob. Dead key fob battery. It happens at the worst possible time, and the immediate assumption is you're stuck. You're not. Find the center console. Locate the cup holder closest to the rear of the cab. Pull up the rubber liner inside it. Underneath, there is a slot, exactly the shape and size of your key fob. Drop your key fob in there, even with a completely dead battery, and the truck's proximity reader picks up the signal through direct contact. The truck recognizes the key. Push button start works. You drive away. Ford engineered this as a dead battery backup. The slot is hidden under the liner deliberately, keeping the center console clean while preserving the emergency functionality underneath. Before you call roadside assistance for a dead fob, try the slot. Feature number 4. Roll all your windows down without getting in the truck. Anyone who parks in a hot climate knows this problem. You've been inside all day. You walk out to a truck that has been sitting in the sun for 8 hours. You open the door and the heat hits you like a wall. Here's the fix, and most F-150 owners have no idea it exists. On your key fob, tap the unlock button once, then press and hold it. Every window in your truck rolls down simultaneously. You can air out the entire cabin before you even open the door. Walk to the truck, tap, hold. By the time you get there, it's already breathing. Note, there's no global window up function via the fob. Ford likely excluded it as a safety precaution, but the global down feature alone is genuinely useful on a daily basis. Feature number 5. Turn off the seatbelt chime for specific seats. The seatbelt warning chime is one of the most divisive features in any vehicle. Essential for safety, also capable of being extraordinarily irritating in specific situations. Moving a truck on a job site, repositioning in a driveway, any short distance situation where the chime fires repeatedly for a seat that has no occupant. The 2025 F-150 lets you turn this off per seat, and most owners never find it. Go into the Sync infotainment system. Navigate to the digital owner's manual built into the screen. Search seatbelt. The setting appears, with a toggle for each seating position individually. You can disable a chime for specific seats while keeping it active for others. The process involves a specific sequence with the ignition, but the step-by-step instructions are right there in the in-screen manual. No digging through a physical manual, no dealer visit. It's been sitting in your infotainment system waiting to be found. Feature number 6. The Ford Pass app features most owners ignore. Most F-150 owners download FordPass for remote start and lock and unlock, and then they stop there. Here's what the app actually does that most owners never explore: dealer diagnostic sharing. When your check engine light comes on, before you call the dealer, the FordPass system has already transmitted your truck's diagnostic data to your Ford dealership if you're connected through FordPass Connect. Your service advisor can see the specific code, assess its severity, and tell you whether it's something urgent or something that can wait before you even come in. That is a genuinely different service experience. Geofencing alerts. Set a geographic boundary. If your truck crosses it, you get a notification, useful for fleet owners, parents with new drivers, or anyone who lends out their truck. Over-the-air updates. Software improvements, feature unlocks, and calibration fixes delivered directly to your truck while it's parked. No dealer visit required. Eco Coach for PowerBoost owners. Real-time coaching on how you're driving relative to optimal hybrid efficiency. If you want to maximize those fuel economy numbers, this feature tells you exactly how. FordPass is not just a remote control, it's a complete truck management platform. Most owners use about 10% of it. Feature number 7. The keypad codes that do more than unlock your door. If your F-150 has the SecuriCode keyless entry keypad, you almost certainly know the 5-digit code that unlocks your doors. Here's what you probably don't know. A different 5-button sequence can be programmed to open only the tailgate without unlocking the cab doors. For work situations where you need someone to access the bed without giving full truck access, this is the feature. Beyond that, the keypad can be linked to driver profiles. Different codes for different drivers. Each code loads that driver's settings automatically: seat position, mirror angles, climate preferences, audio presets. You hand your truck to someone else for the day. They enter their code, the truck configures itself for them. When you get back in, enter yours, everything returns to exactly where you left it. Most keypad owners use one code. The system was built for significantly more than that. Feature number 8. Wiper service mode. Small feature, genuinely useful. Replacing wiper blades on most vehicles requires wrestling the blades into a position where you can actually access the attachment mechanism. The 2025 F-150 has a dedicated wiper service mode. Go into vehicle settings on the infotainment screen, select wiper service mode. The wipers raise to a fully extended flat position, giving you direct, unobstructed access to both blades for replacement. When you're done, cancel the mode and the wipers return to rest. It takes the frustration out of a 5-minute job. Feature number 9. Advanced drive modes most F-150 owners never use. Most F-150 owners know normal mode, sport mode, maybe tow and haul. On FX4, Tremor, and Raptor-equipped trucks, there is an entirely separate category of drive modes that most owners scroll past without exploring. Mud and Ruts mode locks the rear differential, manages throttle to maintain momentum in deep mud, and allows controlled wheel spin to self-clean traction. Rock Crawl mode drops the truck to its lowest possible speed capability. Maximum throttle control precision, maximum low-speed traction management. For technical terrain where momentum is your enemy, not your friend. Sand mode loosens traction control to allow controlled speed on loose surfaces, prevents the hesitation that causes you to bog down. Trail Turn Assist brakes the inside rear wheel during tight turns off-road, effectively shrinking the truck's turning radius in situations where it matters most. These modes are not cosmetic. They are genuinely different calibrations of how the truck manages power, braking, and traction. If you have an FX4 package, Tremor, or Raptor, and you've never cycled through all the terrain modes, you have truck capability you've never used. Feature number 10. The 360-degree camera features buried in the menu. The 360-degree camera system on the 2025 F-150 is genuinely impressive than the default view most owners ever see. Inside the camera interface, options most owners never find. Zoom control on specific angles. You can zoom in on a particular camera feed, useful when backing into a tight space and needing detail from one specific corner. Trailer-specific camera views. When a trailer is connected, the system offers dedicated views optimized for watching trailer wheel positioning, hitch alignment and clearance. Low light enhancement. The system boosts image processing in poor lighting conditions, critical for backing into unlit areas at night or navigating a job site at night. Most owners use the default bird's eye view and nothing else. The depth of the system goes significantly beyond that. Feature number 11, mirror spotlights and projector puddle lights. Two lighting features that work harder than most owners realize. Mirror spot lamps, available on equipped trims, can be swiveled independently and individually controlled. Point them directly at a work area, a hookup, or any spot requiring targeted illumination. On a job site at night, this replaces a handheld work light. Projector puddle lights, built into the mirrors, cast the Ford logo and the truck's outline onto the ground when you approach or unlock the truck at night. Beyond the visual effect, the outline projection makes it easier to gauge clearance when navigating tight spaces in low light. Both features exist on the truck right now. Both are underused by almost every owner who has them. Feature number 12, automatic park when you open the door. Simple, potentially important. The 2025 F-150 can be configured to automatically shift into park when you open the driver's door with your seatbelt unfastened. It's a configurable safety feature. You can turn it on or off in vehicle settings. For owners who've ever had the heart-stopping moment of stepping out of a truck that was still in gear, this setting removes that variable entirely. It's in the vehicle settings menu, takes 30 seconds to configure. Most owners have never touched it. Feature number 13, smart hitch and onboard scales. Overloading a truck is one of the most common and most invisible mistakes truck owners make. You load up, you think it feels okay, you drive, and somewhere between the job site and home, you're over your payload limit or your tongue weight is too high for safe trailer control, and you have no idea. The 2025 F-150 addresses this directly. Smart hitch technology, available on equipped models, measures tongue weight through the truck's sensors and displays it on the infotainment screen. You see the actual weight your hitch is carrying before you pull away. Onboard payload scales, accessible through the Ford Pass app, weigh your truck's current load and compare it against your payload capacity. You know before you move whether you're within limits, not after something feels wrong on the highway. Before. For working truck owners and anyone towing regularly, this feature pays for itself the first time it prevents an overloading situation. Feature number 14, reset your sync screen in 10 seconds. The Sync 4 infotainment system in the 2025 F-150 is genuinely impressive. It also occasionally freezes, slows down, stops responding. Like any modern computing system, it happens. Most owners either live with it or make a dealer appointment. Neither is necessary. On the steering wheel, locate the two control buttons on the left and right of the steering wheel controls. Press and hold both simultaneously. Within seconds, the entire screen goes black. The system performs a full hard reset. It reboots clean. No dealer visit, no scheduled appointment. Just a 10-second fix that restores normal operation. Keep this in your mental toolkit. You'll use it. The glass you can't replace without consequences. This one is not a hidden feature. It's a hidden risk, and every F-150 owner needs to know it. The windshield and front door glass on the 2025 F-150 are acoustic laminate glass, a specific material engineered to reduce road and wind noise, and critically to support the Sync voice recognition system's microphone sensitivity. The rear side windows use standard glass, noticeably louder by comparison. Here's the risk. If your windshield cracks and you replace it with a cheaper aftermarket equivalent, the acoustic performance changes. The cabin gets louder, and because Sync's microphone is calibrated to the acoustic environment that laminate glass creates, voice recognition performance can degrade. Ford's warranty documentation indicates that using non-equivalent replacement glass may affect warranty coverage on related systems. When you need glass replacement, specify acoustic laminate equivalent glass. Don't let a shop substitute a cheaper option without understanding what it affects. The Blue Cruise update that changes who should use it. Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-free highway driving system, is one of the most capable driver assistance technologies available on any truck. On version 1.3 and above, it supports automatic lane changes on mapped highways. The system moves you around slower traffic hands-free with a simple signal input. For 2025, Ford made a meaningful change to how Blue Cruise is offered on XLT trims. Previously, certain XLT equipment groups included Blue Cruise as standard. For 2025, it became an option rather than a default. Why does this matter? If you've lifted your F-150 or plan to, standard Blue Cruise creates a liability complication. The system was calibrated for stock ride height. Modifications affect sensor angles and system behavior. Many shops won't touch a lifted truck with Blue Cruise active for exactly this reason. Making it optional means buyers who know they're modifying their truck can make an informed choice before Blue Cruise is part of the equation. If you have Blue Cruise, know its limitations. If you're planning modifications, factor this in before you order. 14 features, all of them built into your F-150 right now. Most of them never explained at delivery. The hidden storage that could save you on the side of the road. The fuel door string that works when nothing else does. The key fob slot that starts your truck with zero battery. The window trick that makes summer parking bearable. The drive modes that unlock capability you've never used. Ford built more into this truck than most owners ever discover. Now you know what's there. If this changed how you see a truck you thought you already knew, subscribe. And drop in the comments which of these features did you already know and which one genuinely surprised you. Because the owners who know their truck best are the ones who get the most out of it. We'll see you in the next one.